Hey everybody, Nick here, also known as the Bearded Housewife, and welcome to another paper crafting video. Today I have a really fun layered paper craft for you. This is my spring wreath layered paper craft. How beautiful is that with all the different flowers, all that different texture. It's really bright and really happy. It is so much fun to make. There are quite a bit of layers to this, but no worries, it comes together really easily once everything is all cut out. And I can't wait to show it to you. Before we get started, make sure to hit like and smash that subscribe button so you don't miss out on any paper crafting fun. And with that, let's get to it. Step 1. Get the SVG Cut File. Okay, here we are at my website, thebeardedhousewife.com. If you don't have an account already, you can click the sign up button and you'll be brought to a page with all of our different membership tiers. We have free, basic, and premium memberships. Go ahead and take a look at the different options and select which one is right for you. But for now, we're going to go ahead and click sign in. I'll enter my credentials and log into my account. And now I'm logged into the website. To access the file libraries, you can go to the Files tab on the main navigation bar. Now this project is for basic and premium members only, so you will be able to find that on the file library page. For this project, you'll want to look for number 588, that is the Spring Wreath Layered Paper Craft. Go ahead and download the file to your computer, make sure to unzip the file, and then we can open up CRICUT Design Space. Step 2. Upload the design to CRICUT Design Space. Now that we have a new project open in CRICUT Design Space, we can go ahead and click Upload, Upload Image, and Browse. Find where we downloaded the file onto our computer and click Open and Upload. Highlight the image and click Add to Canvas. Step 3. Resize the design. And you can see that our design has been brought into our canvas. I have sized this design to fit within the cutting dimensions of a 12 by 12 cutting mat. So you can see up here it is a little bit less than 11.5 inches. If you're going to be using this possibly as an embellishment on a card or to put in a shadow box or for some other reason, you can change the sizing here in the sizing options. Just make sure to keep the proportions locked so you don't distort the design at all. Since the design is already sized appropriately for what I'm going to be using this for, I'm going to go ahead and click Make It. And you can see the different mats for this project. Click Continue. I'll be using a variety of medium weight cardstock for this project. I'll go ahead and get everything cut out and I'll see you when it's time to assemble. Step 4. Cut out the design. Step 5. Assemble your project. Okay, so I have all of our different pieces cut out, so now it's time to go ahead and start to assemble. I know that it looks like there's a lot of different pieces, but don't worry, I have a layering guide within the download that will help visualize how to put all of this together. But from back to front, we're going to start with the green layer, the dark pink, the light yellow, light purple, dark purple, yellowish orange, light pink, and then blue. I'm going to go ahead and layer everything together, and I will speed up the video while I do that, and then I will show you what it looks like when I'm all done. How cute is that? I love all the different colors. I love all the different flowers. So very happy and so very spring-like. Wasn't this one so fun to make? Like I said, I love all those different colors and all that different texture. I could totally see this on a front door, or shrink it down, put it on a card. There's so many different possibilities with this spring wreath. I hope that you like it. If you make this project, I hope that you share it in our Facebook group. We have thousands of paper crafting and card making friends who love to motivate and support each other, and we would love to see your creations. I have a link down below for you to check it out. Until next time, I'm Nick, I'm the Bearded Housewife, and I will see you at the next paper crafting video. Bye!